Okay, good evening everyone. This one is the MSI Force GC30 V2 wireless controller. Okay, on its box it's sold is for Android and Windows. So I think it can only use with the Android and Windows. Okay, and you will find out some detail on the back of its box, and this side you can find out another detail. The front box, okay, and the left one. And now let's take it out from the box. Okay, and we got two seals here and one on the low one. Okay, then okay, so I drop out the manual here. Now we got the controller here. Okay, now let's clean everything out. Okay, now let's check out our controller. Okay, here we got the controller. Let's take it out. Okay, it's a little bit difficult to take out. I need to press from the bottom. Okay, and we got this magnetic, so I need to take this one out. Okay, it's magnetic. Okay, and if you just want to use this one, okay, you can hear the sound it's got. Connect to the controller, and we got some cable. Okay, now let's take out the cable. Okay, this one is the Type C to the micro USB that you can connect to your smartphone. And this one, you got the MSI logo here. Connect to your controller, micro USB, with the USB Type A to your PC, or you can connect this one direct. Okay, now let's take a closer look to our controller. You can see the logo here and the button. It's similar to our okay, if you compare to the Xbox controller, you can see the side. It's a completely the same, and the control, the platform HBYA. Okay, yeah, this one is used the color, and this one it's only black, and the middle one it used the MSI logo and back start. Okay, you can see the connection here, the grid. You can see here. Take this one out. Okay, now let's try to do some connection. Okay, now let's connect the USB to my laptop. Okay, first of all you need to press this MSI logo first, and then now you can control. Okay, select news game. Okay, so it vibration, you can hear. Okay, vibration, Okay, and we make some move. Can see here. Okay, so now it's can controlling, and I'm using it to play my game on my laptop. Okay, it fully controlled, and you can see the vibration, and all we need to do is just plug and play. Okay, and that is all for today's video of my unboxing this MSI wireless controller for GC30 V2. Okay, and now thanks for your time watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.